Hey guys, Aaron and Brian here from 5 to Go, and we have just started our summer caravan. We're leaving Kissimmee, Florida. We've been in Florida for a while. Thank you, COVID.
Yeah.
And we are headed out now on an 8-week trip, and we're going to be meeting up with our patrons, our Roadrunners, all along the way. Some people are coming with us for several weeks, some for just a few nights, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We're super excited.
And if you want to join us,
You can.
We're on this trip until August 1st.
Right.
So if you join the Roadrunners, you can see our entire route, everywhere we have booked, and we even have site numbers at some of the places.
So you can get as close to us as possible.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Yeah. And this is, as we talked about in the last video, we have our new setup right now. Aaron is in the rig, obviously.
I'm riding up front.
Yep. And the car's rolling around behind us.
Yep. And then we have Ben in the back.
Yep.
In his 5-point harness. And if you're wondering where the girls are, and you missed a couple episodes, I took them to Virginia to stay with their grandma and their aunt and uncle. And so the girls are staying there for about a month, but I will pick them up kind of towards the middle end of June.
Yep.
So they won't be in the first couple episodes of our summer caravan, but you will see them again.
Too soon.
They've already been gone for, what, a week and a half?
Week and a half, and it's been lovely. Ben has been loving it.
Ben likes being an only child.
Yeah, he likes going on date nights with us.
Yes, it's been fun.
Yeah. And now we're sitting in traffic.
Yeah, so...
We left 8 minutes ago.
And we're already in traffic. Thank you,
Yay,
I-4.
Florida!
We won't be on this for too long. So we're going to be taking the toll road to get to 75, which is going to take us north.
Yep.
And we're kind of on 75 most of...
The entire trip, pretty much.
Most of the trip. Don't give it all away.
It's 75 up.
Don't give it all away.
I mean, they know we're going to the Upper Peninsula.
We are. We're going to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. That's where we're going to spend a few weeks. It's going to be up in Michigan.
Up there,
Again, if you want to check that out, 5togo.com/roadrunners, and you can get the scoop.
First stop, we are a little over halfway to what we think will be our destination for this evening. I needed to get out and move, so we are at a rest stop. We're not quite to 10 yet, right?
No, we're
still about
shy of 10.
Still about 20 miles south of 10 or so on 75.
We've hit some traffic.
There's been a lot of traffic. We've been in 3 complete stop slowdowns, but it's a Saturday. There's a lot of people on the road. Oh, and there goes the air conditioning because the generator's running. So what are we having for lunch?
It's going to be a little bougie.
What?
And we're going to have some smoked salmon and Boursin cheese and some crackers.
Wow, okay.
I've prepared a beautiful spread for our lunch today.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, thanks to Walmart. So,
Cheese
smoked
and crackers
salmon.
and salmon.
Yep. It's going to be delicious.
Yep. So can I just say how much I love not having to even get out of the RV to have air conditioning and the bathroom and the fridge and a sink.
It is nice.
It's so lovely. Motorhome life is...
Easy.
It's cheating.
So easy.
Hey, Vector.
Hi.
You survived.
It was loud out there right at the end.
Yeah.
He did great walking across the street.
Good.
Did both of his businesses.
Is there a dog area here?
There's a dog walk, but I don't know that we made it there. But there's just a big space.
Ben is turning the TV on.
Did you need a little break? Watch some TV?
You little goober.
Alrighty, let's do it.
So let's button things up and get back on the road.
Yes. We're good. They have spots.
Then what do we do?
Just go and pick one.
All right.
Easy. So when we do these just overnight, like quick, we know we're gonna leave in the morning, we don't unhook the car, we don't hook up sewer usually, and it's just a little bit easier, so we can just head out in the morning.
Yep, and we're not gonna do the carpets.
Nope.
We'll probably leave locks in place.
Yep.
What else? Probably won't bother messing with those seats. I'm not gonna put the table up there. There's no reason to do stuff like that just for a one-night stop. This is actually the earliest we have ever stopped for a one-night stop.
On a driving day, yeah, you're right. Because usually we're staying at like a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel or something, and so we get there as late as possible, so we're not taking up a lot of car parking spaces and stuff. So
you get there after dark and leave at sunrise.
Yep, that's what we do.
Yeah, but it's only 4 o'clock now.
Yep.
So, but this is pretty much exactly halfway.
Yeah, it was.
For our drive.
So, and we don't do long drives. It's hard on Brian because he's the only one driving, and it's hard when we have the littles with us, and Ben being our littlest.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to do those like long 800-mile drives that some of you guys do. We like to keep it somewhere between 200 and 400 miles. 400 miles is a long day for us.
Yeah.
So
200 miles is good.
Yep. So we did about 285 miles today.
Yeah.
So that was sweet spot.
Probably like 290.
Yep, 290 tomorrow, and we'll be at our first stop on the caravan.
Right. So let's go explore this little store.
Okay. We should show the campground too. It's a nice little.
Okay. Yeah.
Side
So
of the
let's do
road.
that. We'll show off the campground real quick, and then we'll head inside and check out the store.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
It's
very
nice.
basic.
It's just 2 rows.
Yeah. So
pull throughs.
the store's there. We came through there. Yeah. Just 2 rows of pull-throughs. We just took the first one. Right here. Just pulled right in.
Lucky
and then
bag.
that's it. You just go down the middle and you just pick a site, left or right. That's it. Very basic.
And they does have water, sewer, and electric. They have weekly rates as well. I think it was like $240 for the week. So
It's not terrible.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess there is sewer over there. I just didn't use it.
No, we didn't need it.
Yeah. So one thing we're gonna need to get used to again
Is stopping near highways, interstates, railroad tracks, airports. Anything that makes a lot of noise and nobody really wants to build a house next to.
Yeah,
That's where they put RV parks.
It's basically undesirable land. That's where you'll find RV parks. So we are right next to, that is 75.
Yep.
We're about, 160 miles south of Atlanta, I think. But
Oh,
more
really?
importantly, there's a Buc-ee's like 60 miles that way.
Woohoo!
All right, so let's go in and check out Carroll's Sausage and Country Store. I dare you.
No, it's not gonna happen.
No?
No.
No?
I don't
Oh.
like jerky on a normal day.
I'll pay
I'm
for
not
it.
gonna get hotness and make it less.
Yeah, ghost pepper is probably a bit much. Honey jalapeno, I bet is good. Oh, they have Carolina Reaper jerky. That's even better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coffee over here and teas.
And then a bunch of Boylan's sodas. More jerky over there. More jerky. And then here's what you were looking for. All the pickled stuff. Oh, they got dilly beans.
Do I need to go get a cart?
I love dilly beans. This section is ready to eat.
Oh.
Lots of sausage.
I was like, where were you getting that from?
Lots of sausages.
Here you go. Remember we used to get
Oh,
rolled butter at
Amish
games?
butter.
in
Yes.
Hampton?
Amish butter is good. All right, the place is called Carroll's Sausages. So here we go. All sorts of sausage. Some good looking stuff. All sorts of syrup. They got molasses. They got sorghum. Sorghum what? Just, oh my, that's so heavy. Oh,
Like
God.
molasses.
This jar is 2.5 pounds. Ugh. All right, so over here, ooh, apple butter, pumpkin butter, moonshine jelly, marmalades, jellies, jams, all sorts of honey. And then up here on the wall, we've got, what is all this? Prosciutto, country ham. Ooh, country ham. I bet their ham is salty.
Yay!
Mini cream cheese pound cake.
Okay.
Oh, that's what all
Lemon
of them are?
glazed.
Oh, lemon glazed. Okay.
Fudge, of course.
Fudge. Of
You
course
have
there's
to have
fudge. It's a tourist stop. Why? Of course there's fudge. Alrighty, so that's kind of the gist of the store.
Yeah.
I think we're all fogged up. Yep, it's humid here. So how'd you sleep with the highway noise? Highway's right there.
Oh, I always sleep well with highway noise.
Yeah.
That is never an issue.
Yep.
Ben, Vector's watching the dogs run.
He doesn't like it when dogs play.
He looks excited to play with them now.
Oop.
I was gonna let him run. I didn't realize that they were out here.
All right,
But
the
the nets are coming out now.
fogging went away.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah. So he ran back and forth about 4 times.
Yeah.
Get a little bit of exercise for the old man.
Yep.
Sorry, I would have recorded it, but
It was
couldn't
foggy.
see anything at all. Let's get this thing fired up, buttoned up, and let's go find a Buc-ee's.
A Buc-ee.
Buc-ee's.
Let's do it.
This is the busiest Buc-ee's I have ever seen in my life.
Goodness.
I kind of snagged that first spot there and gassed up and then moved on because there were just people waiting for pumps. So I wanted to talk about gas real quick. A lot of people asking questions about how much, with the mileage on this thing, how much we spend on gas while traveling, how much we spend on campgrounds and all of that. And we're going to start recording that starting right now. I did not have a full tank of gas when we left Florida. And I just filled up to full, so this is 0.
0.
We're at the Buc-ee's just north of Perry in Georgia.
Yep.
So this is going to be 0, and every time we stop for the night or to get gas or anything, we're going to share all of our expenses, right?
Sure.
Okay, so if you've never been to a Buc-ee's, it's
an
a
experience.
fantastic place. If you drive by a Buc-ee's,
Stop.
whether you have a full tank or not, stop.
Stop.
It is well worth the stop.
Yep.
We were going to bring you guys in here with us, but it is a madhouse.
busy.
So we will show you what we come out with in just a couple seconds. We survived Buc-ee's.
We did. It was a madhouse.
Oh my lord.
A madhouse. So many people in there. We were there at lunchtime though.
And this
On
is the
a
only
travel
Buc-ee's. It's the only one in the area, so
It
it's kind
is.
of like a destination, I guess.
Well, and I mean, this might be the first weekend of like summer vacation for a lot of people. So a lot of people are on the interstate
like
moving
school
around.
closed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yep.
yeah.
So, what do we get?
So the best sandwich
Yep.
is the turkey bacon melt.
Yeah, so it's the Buc-ee's Club Melt.
Club melt, okay.
So
It's the best.
Good.
Because the roll is like a kolache. Like it's that kind of like almost sweet yeasty kind of roll.
Yeah.
It's very good. And it has like a spicy mayonnaise on it.
Yes.
So good.
So good. And the sizzling saltines, so they're just saltine crackers with really spicy stuff on them.
They're soaked in like butter and Cajun
Yes,
seasoning or
yes.
spicy seasoning, and they're really good.
Delicious. And we got a couple shirts and a magnet.
We did. We've never bought Buc-ee's shirts before, and I saw some people when we were coming out, and I was like, oh, I like that one, and found one of those for Brooke, but we'll show those there another time once we're
Yep.
all back together.
They'll show up on the channel.
Yep.
All right, so Ben is in his seat. He has got his entertainment and a drink, and I'm pretty sure he'll fall asleep
Soon.
a little ways down the road.
Yeah.
All right, back to it. Man, this humidity.
It's a little.
Oh, you like
humid.
this? I rubbed Vaseline around the corners.
Was
here.
that what you did?
Yeah. It's terrible. So, we are all set up at the KOA Chattanooga North, right?
Cleveland something.
Cleveland KOA. It's Chattanooga North KOA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's nice.
It
It's
is.
very hilly,
Very woodsy.
very woodsy. Some of these sites are very tight.
Yes.
So,
Ours is nice though. Show them our site.
yeah, our site is quite lovely. It was very we're not level at all. We're up on blocks in the front, like I said earlier. And then we have some Roadrunners right here with us.
We do.
In a buddy site. I love these.
I love the buddy site.
Buddy sites are great. So we're going to do some grilling. We're going to do some campfiring.
Yeah.
We're going to do all sorts of fun stuff.
We're going to have fun.
Yeah. Welcome to Travel Videos.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of stuff planned for this week here in Chattanooga.
Yep.
Apparently the aquarium is awesome.
Yeah, it's a freshwater aquarium.
Freshwater
We'll go and
aquarium,
check that out.
There's all sorts of river stuff. There's a dam we can go check out.
There's waterfalls.
There's breweries.
There's caves with waterfalls.
There's a place called Quick Burger that sounds really good. There are loud trucks.
There's loud trucks.
There are always loud trucks.
Yep. Right. But we're going to go get dinner.
Because they have cookout here.
Because there's a cookout.
And
if
there's
you
no
know,
cookout in Florida.
you know.
She's on this if you know, you know kick lately.
No, I was just telling him about it.
She's trying to be a trendy cool kid, right?
I mean,
Is
no.
that what you're doing?
It's just,
There's no cookouts in Florida, and we've been missing them.
we've missed cookout.
So we're going to go grab cookout, and the diet starts tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow, because we got to get some milkshakes tonight. That's how dieting works, right?
Exactly.
Tomorrow's
right.
Monday. That's when people start, right?
That's right. It always starts tomorrow.
Yes.
Yep. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along with us on the road.
Yep.
And there's lots more to come this summer.
What do you have?
We brought something from Florida with us.
Uh-huh.
We have a gecko.
It's a gecko. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I feel bad for this guy because Tennessee.
Is not Florida.
You don't live in Tennessee. He is very cute, actually.
Okay.
Give him some air.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry. Tennessee's your new home.
Alrighty.
I'm guessing he was on one of the slides.
Yeah. I'm surprised we don't have any frogs in here either, because there were frogs everywhere.
See, the frogs jump. They leave.
That's true.
The geckos, you like startle them and they like hide. The frogs are like, I'm out. So,
Alrighty. So this was a fun and exciting ending to our
is this
first day in Tennessee.
Is this the actual ending to our video now?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Leave a comment below. Let us know what his name is. What's a good Tennessee name? Williams? We'll name him Williams.
His name is Hudson.
Right? Tennessee Williams. Yeah. Hudson?
Tennessee Williams?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good gecko name.
Alrighty. Bye, guys.
Oh, jeez.